Hello my friends, in this video I just want to share with you how to pick a good melon. So basically speaking, this is the one I'm picking. It tends to be slightly yellower, but you probably can't see that in this video, but that's not the main point. The main point is you want to basically generally let your melons typically ripen at home for approximately, often you may need a week. So the trick to eating a fruit-based raw food diet, or even a fruitarian diet, but at least we'll just call it fruit-based raw food diet, or even if you're just like want nice fruit and you don't need a raw food diet, you want to be able to pick good, juicy, sweet, ripe fruit that's ready and delicious and super satisfying because it's full of nutrients and simple sugars and nutrients all combined with water and fiber. So this is how you do it. This here is the softest. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but I can see. This is like the nipple or the nib, I don't really know the name of it, but this is the softest one out of all of these. So this has been sitting here ripening already for maybe a week, but that's okay because most fruits ripen after they've been picked. So I'm going to put it there and I'm going to show you the comparison. Like, just other ones are just like much harder. There's nothing giving there. So most of all these other ones don't have the give, the soft give that this one has. So this is a bit soft, so this will be a good one too actually. Yeah, sorry. And it doesn't really matter generally with stuff like that typically, unless it's like super soft and it molds and then it may get into the inside and make a bad taste. But I think this hasn't gotten through the skin. This would be another good one. These two should be really tasty. Then I don't have to wait like half a week to a week. So that's the tip today for picking a good melon. I hope it helps. So for more videos with raw food, cleansing, detoxification, spirituality, healing, personal healing on an emotional level and physical healing, personal empowerment and self-awareness, just hit the subscribe and the bell button below, and I look forward to seeing you in new videos, and thanks for liking and sharing. Have a nice day everyone, and lots more on these topics as well, okay? Cheerio!